I hope you all are fine. Starting with question number 3, reduce the following expression to the lowest form. So you all can see the first part here in numerator there's 120. On the other hand, in the denominator there's 30. So you can easily cancel 0. You know, steps can be changed, but answer will remain same. You can cut the 0. You can cut 3 and 12 by the table of 3. Be careful about the variables. The easiest way to solve the variable is, let's suppose here you all can see plus 3 is in the denominator. When moves upwards, it will become negative 3. Same goes here. There isn't any power over 1. Definitely you will know that the power of y is 1. When there isn't any power means the power is 1. And you all can see here the power of z is 2. Here, plus 2, when moves upward, it will become negative 2. Be careful about the sign. Plus 2 minus 3. Plus minus minus, sign of greater number. That means this is your answer. But you can see that here y power 2, z power 3, but x to the power negative 1. That means if I will reciprocal, it will become positive x. You know x to the power negative 1 is equals to 1 over x. So definitely you can write 4y square z cube over x. Moving towards the next part, be careful, follow the tips. Tip number 1, taking common. If there isn't any common, look for formula. If there isn't any formula, look for middle term breaking. Here you can see that 2 and 8 can be cancelled. Yeah, it's very obvious. In the denominator, x square minus 1. If you remember, you have studied a formula a square minus b square. Excellent. Which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. You know this. So definitely here after cancellation, you know that you will apply the formula a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So here a is x and b is 1. So the formula will be x plus 1, x minus 1. In the numerator, there's x plus 1. In the denominator, there's x plus 1. So it is going to be cancelled. So this one is the remaining part, means this is my answer, because now there isn't any common, there isn't any formula, and no middle term is possible. So this is my answer because this is the simplest form. Now, third part. Now the difficulty level got increased. You all can see in the numerator a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here definitely the variables are x and y. So you know a is x and b is y. So if I open the formula in the numerator, again steps can be changed, but answer will remain same. You can apply whatsoever you want to apply. So definitely here, if I open the formula in numerator, it will be like this: a square plus 2ab plus b square. If you open the formula in the denominator, it will look like this: a square minus 2ab, because in denominator there is the sign of minus, means a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. After opening this in numerator, you can see that like terms. Are you able to see the like terms? This one, plus 2xy minus 4xy. Plus minus minus. Sign of greater number means x square will remain same, y square will remain same, plus 2xy minus 4xy will become minus 2xy, and again in the denominator it will remain same. What you have observed that numerator and denominator are totally same, means it's going to be cancelled. So the answer is 1. Yes or no? Yes, the answer will be 1. You all can see, you can directly cancel. You can first make the formula a minus b whole square and then cancel. It totally depends on you. As I mentioned again and again, steps can be changed but answer will remain same. Moving towards the part 4, you can see a cube minus b cube. You know a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay students, be careful about this. Now I have just opened the formula. You all can see. But if I open the formula, I can easily observe that it's going to cancel. Or I can make in this form that in the denominator, it's totally same. As I mentioned, a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b. You can match a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Here a is x and b is y. So definitely I have made the formula. It's going to be cancelled. And now this one is the remaining part. X square minus 2xy plus y square. Is this a formula? Just think. Yes. A square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a minus b whole square. Excellent. Good job. Now, fifth part. Again, the difficulty level got increased. You can see in the numerator there's a formula a square minus b square, because 1 square is 1. In the denominator there's again same formula a square minus b square. A is x and b is 2, because 2 square is going to be 4. So I have just opened the formula. If there's any cancellation, you can see x plus 2 is in the numerator, x plus 2 is in the denominator, then x plus 1 is going to cancel, and this one is the remaining part. So this one will be your answer. Moving towards part 6, you can be careful about applying the tips. Tip number 1, taking common. You can see in the numerator there isn't common, but in the denominator 2 is common. If 2 is common, so definitely you know x square minus 4 will be the remaining one. Yes or no? If you take 2 as the common, x square minus 4 will be the remaining one in the inside the bracket. And in the numerator, you can see there's a formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now let's see what the solution is done. Be careful, steps can be changed but answer will remain same. As I mentioned, first you can see taking common, you can apply the formula. If you apply the formula, there is going to be cancellation. Now this one is the lowest term. You cannot do anything further. Moving towards the next part, be careful. Here in the denominator 8 means 8 you have to take as a common. Here you can see 2 means you have to take 2 as a common. 64 means 64 you have to take as a common. X power 1 and here x power 5, that means x power 1 is the common part. So what I said, they have taken as a common. You can see 8 and 2 is going to multiply. It will become 16. And now the remaining one is on your screen. After cancellation, you know x square plus 1, x square plus 1 is going to cancel. X square minus 1. Is this a formula? Yes. A square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b, means x plus 1, x minus 1. After cancellation, this one is the remaining part and this is going to be your answer. Moving towards the next, you all can see here 9x square. Here x square minus 4 whole square, and in the denominator something like that 4 plus 3x minus x square. So what will be the step? Can I write 9x square in this form? 3x whole square? Yes, because 3 square is 9. So you can see that now it will become a formula a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b. You can see a plus b, a minus b. Be careful that after a minus b, b is complete x square minus 4. Means minus is going to multiply, means it will become minus x square and minus minus plus, so it will be plus a power plus 4. Be careful about this because a plus b, a minus b, so minus is going to multiply minus x square plus 4. Now you can see the similarity. Yes, you can see that this is totally same, so this one is your answer. Take care. Allah Hafiz.